Today we have this 2007 Ford Expedition. We got called out to diagnose possibly a bad key. First thing I like to do, my thought process is see what's going on with the dash. So I get the key, turn the ignition on, see what we can see here. And the first thing I notice is the theft lights flashing. That means that the vehicle is immobilized. So I went ahead and put my scanner in and read codes, and let's see what we come up with. So here I pulled the codes. We see we have 2 stored codes for the PCM. Let's check it out and see what they are. Okay, we have, here we go, bingo. Theft detected, vehicle immobilized. So that is a good indication that there's something wrong with the key, but I always like to double check. So we're gonna do a couple more tests just to make sure that's it. And the check of all systems not complete, it means somebody was in here and cleared the codes already. Let's actually check out the key and see if the chip is reading. All right, check this out, guys. So I have my KM100 tool here under reading and cloning. Let's go ahead and try to read the chip and see if it's working. Reading failed. Let's try it one more time just to make sure. And as you can see, it is not reading the chip. Just in case it is a mistake, let's grab a known good key here and let's retry. All right, and this one does read. So we know that the chip inside of the customer's key isn't working. Let's go ahead and cut them a duplicate, program it, and see if that fixes the issue. All right, now we're just duplicating the customer's key so we can have the cuts and we can cut the new key. All right, so I was able to decode it successfully. We have the cut there. Now we can go ahead and start cutting the new key. All right, so now we're gonna go into the emo side of things. We're gonna hit emo here, hit okay. Let's hit auto detect. We know it has good communication, so it should pull up the VIN. Yeah, there it is. Ford America. Man, it is hot today. All right, there's the VIN. Alrighty, hit yes. All right, we're gonna hit emo status scan. I like to start here just to make sure how many keys it has, if it has already the maximum allotted amount, which it doesn't. So I'm just gonna be adding a key. So we're gonna hit add key, hit start. Okay. And this is the new key. It's already cut. Let me go ahead and already place that in the ignition. Yes. Alrighty. Learn keys 3. And learning successful. Do you want to learn the next key? No. Now let's confirm the fix. Okay, so the key programmed successfully. Let's see if it works. Let's put it in the ignition. I'm going to turn the ignition on and pay attention to the theft light. It's gone. And the vehicle cranks and starts up. All right, let's check out the codes. Everything's looking good so far. Get a few more seconds here. As long as we see that theft code gone, then we know it's a fix. All right, it's done there. Let's do report. Under PCM, what do we have? Check of all systems not complete. All right, that's because I cleared codes. No more immobilizer codes. So this is a fix. And it's all fixed. This car is ready to go. If you guys found this helpful, please give a like, a thumbs up, and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for tuning in.